So today we're going to be breaking down a cantaloupe, so let's get started. So the cantaloupe is a really amazing fruit, and if this is your first time in the kitchen with one, then don't worry, this video has got you covered. And if you watched my how to break down a pineapple video, then you already have a head start because both are really similar in regards to the process. I've also included a bonus slicing technique, so make sure to watch until the end for that. And without further ado, let's begin. Alright, so here is our cantaloupe. And what we're going to do is top and tail our cantaloupe. So we're going to cut the top off. And then we're going to cut the bottom off. And then we're going to stand our cantaloupe up. And as you can see, we've exposed a dark and light green rind here. And what we want to do essentially is cut behind that. So making sure to follow the natural curvature of the cantaloupe, we're going to cut behind that rind. And then once you're done that, you can flip the cantaloupe and cut off any rind that you might have missed. Now once all that tough skin is off, we're going to be able to remove any light green rind that remains. Now once all that is removed, you should have a nice beautiful orange cantaloupe with the shape still intact. Next we're going to slice our cantaloupe in half. And there's going to be seeds within the center. And we're going to take a spoon and remove this really gently, as you don't need much force with this. So once we've cleaned each half, we can now slice it into 4 wedges. Now with one wedge, we're going to slice this in half again. And then we're going to trim each end of this wedge. And we're going to cut across the center in order for the wedge to sit flat on the cutting board. Now next, I'm going to show you this slicing technique. So once you make your slice, you're going to place your index finger over the spine of the knife, and then you'll be able to slide your knife out and make another slice. And as you can see, there's our beautiful slices ready for a fruit plate. And the more you practice, the faster you'll be able to do this without compromising the quality of your slices. And when you're done, you can fan out these slices on a plate. Alright, there it is, the cantaloupe broken down and sliced beautifully for that fruit plate at your next dinner party. And by the way, the slicing technique I showed you can be used for a variety of ingredients, so make sure to practice it often, especially when you want your presentation to be neat and precise. So I hope this video answered all your questions that you had about cantaloupes. And if you enjoy content like this, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so that you can stay tuned for that next video. But until then, keep on cooking.